Learn with Leo.
Look, Bravey. It's a cow. The cow says moo. Let's say it together, friends. Moo, moo, moo. The cow says moo. Moo. Now, can you tell me how cats sound?
Meow, meow, meow.
Let's say it together, friends. The cat says
Meow, meow, meow.
Say it with me right now.
Meow, meow, meow.
This is a goat. The goat says Let's say it together, friends. Ready? The goat says mama. Great job, everyone. This is a horse. Listen, the horse goes neigh. Wow, what a strong, happy sound. Neigh, neigh, neigh. Let's sing with the horse. Look, Bravey, a fluffy sheep. Ba, 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 what a happy sheep. Sheep says ba, 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 ba. Good job, sheep. This is a donkey. Listen, the donkey makes a funny braying sound. What a funny sound. Now, let's say it together. Ready? Donkey says, Hee-Haw! Great job, friends! We learned how each animal makes its sound. Now, let's revise together. Are you ready? The cow says moo in the field so wide. Moo, moo, with gentle pride. The cat says meow both day and night. Meow, meow, it sounds just right. The goat says ma with a happy cheer. Mama, the sound is clear. And the horse goes neigh, 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 dancing in the field all day. Sheep says ba, 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 ba. Good job, sheep.
The donkey sings with a funny call. Hee-haw, hee-haw, for one and all.
Great job, friends! We learned how each animal makes its sound.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.